Hi, I'm Charlotte, an AI-powered demo presenter. Welcome to the world of Fogwing Asset Plus, a smart CMMS platform for industrial asset maintenance. Now, I will walk you through how to create a faults code for fault-based maintenance work orders on the Asset Plus CMMS platform during this session. To begin, log into your Fogwing Asset account. Once logged in, click on the Settings icon in the menu to navigate to the Settings page on your Fogwing Asset Plus account. Then, click on the fault code card in the organization setting. This is where you can create and manage fault codes. Click the Create Fault Code button. This will open a form where you can input details about the new fault. Enter fault name, fault code, generate new barcode, and description. You can view the barcode created by clicking on the View Barcode link. Download the barcode if required. Review the information provided, and click the Submit button to confirm. Your new fault code with barcode now added to the Fogwing Asset Platform. You can associate it with the asset's fault maintenance work order when reported. Thank you for watching this Fogwing Asset Plus fault code creation demo. We are excited to help you with your asset maintenance journey. You can stay connected to maximize your experience with our product. We hope you found this demo insightful. For even more efficient maintenance management, download and use our mobile app. We are now available on the App Store and Google Play Store. Give it a try. Your assets will thank you. Until next time, take care and happy maintenance.